Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. I'm Ayush and today we are going to start exercise 13.4 of areas related to circle 10th RD. Here's the question first. It's saying that a plot is in the form of rectangle ABCD as shown in the figure and having a semicircle BC. It's also shown here. Now AB is 60 meter and BC is 28. So we need to find the area of this plot. As we can see, if BC is 28, then this means that DA will also be 28. So here's the rest solution of this question. As BC was 28, so this means that 20 is the diameter of the semicircle BC. Okay, and if 28 is the diameter, then this means that 14 will be the radius. So we need to find the area of this whole plot. For that, we will first find the area of ABCD rectangle and then the area of BC semicircles. So for area of ABCD, we can simply multiply both sides AB and AD, which is L into B, 28 into 60. Okay, and for the area of BC, we need to apply the formula pi r square by 2 as it's a semicircle. Here we will put the value of pi as 22 by 7, r as 14. Now this equation will be formed. We have taken 28 common from these two terms and the rest inside the bracket will be 60 plus 11, which is 71. Now 28 into 71 will be 1988 meters square. So this will be the area of this plot. Now the second question. In this question, we are told that a playground has a shape of rectangle with two semicircles on its smaller sides as diameters. Means the smaller side of the rectangle are the diameters of two semicircles. Okay, added to its outside. Yeah. So if the sides of the rectangle are 36 by 24.5, then we need to find the area of playground. So here we have drawn figure for this. Let's this be the rectangle and the smaller sides has a diameter of two semicircles, and we were provided that the measurements of this rectangle is 36 by 24.5. Okay, now for the area of playground we need to find the area of rectangle in two semicircles. Okay, so for the area of rectangle it will be 36 into 24.5 length into breadth, and for two semicircles it will be pi r square by 2 into 2. So I have directly written here pi r square as 2 will be cancelled out. So I have taken r as 24.5 by 2 as the 24.5 was diameter of the semicircle and radius will be half of that. Now by doing calculations we can simply find the area of this playground, and it will come out to be 1353.625 meters square. Okay, now we shall move forward for question number third. Here's the question number 3. It's saying that we need to find the area of a area of a circle which is inside a square of area 64 centimeters square. So yeah, I have drawn figure here. Area of the circle in which, yeah, so it's a circle and inside the circle a square is inscribed, and the area of the square is 64 meters square. Now, as we have given the area of square, we can find the diagonal of this square. If we look in the figure, the diagonal of this square would be equal to diameter of this circle. So for the diagonal of this square, we can find it from the formula d square by 2, which is equals to area of any square. Here d is the diagonal and we are provided with the area. So from here, we will find that the diagonal will be, so from here the diagonal will come out to be 8 root 2. Okay, now as I told you earlier that the diagonal is equal to the diameter of this circle, so diameter of this circle will be 8 root 2. Now for the area we will do pi r square. Here r will come out to be 4 root 2 as the diameter was 8 root 2, and by putting the value 3.14 as pi, area will come out to be 100.48 meters square. This is the ending for question number third. Now we shall move forward for question number fourth. So here's the question number fourth. It's saying that a rectangular piece of 20 by 15 meters. There is a rectangular piece of 20 by 15. Okay. From its four corners, quadrants of radii 3.5 meter have been cut. Now we need to find the remaining area. I have drawn figure for this as well. It's 20 by 15, and the four quadrants have been cut off of the radius 3.5 meters. So for the remaining area, we can clearly see that we need to subtract the area of four quadrants from the total rectangular area. So four quadrants, as we all know that quadrant is 1/4 of a circle, so four quadrant constitute to a circle, and radius we are also provided with, which is 3.5. So basically we need to subtract the area of one triangle of radius 3.5 meters from a rectangle of dimensions 20 by 15. So area of rectangle will be 20 into 15, which is 300, and area of that circle with radius 3.5 will be 38.5. So the remaining area will come out to be 261.5 meters square. Okay. Now, it's turn for fifth question. In the fifth question, we are given that PQRS is a square of side 4 centimeter, as given in this figure, and we need to find the area of shaded region. Okay, uh, it's shown that four quadrants of radius 1 centimeter are cut here also from the four corners, and one circle from the center as well. So this means that these four quadrants and one circle, four quadrants constitute one circle, and there's one circle more, means two circles are cut off. And if we see, we will find that the radius are also equal for both the circles, as 2 centimeter is diameter for the circle, means 1 centimeter will be radius, and 1 centimeter was the radius for earlier one as well. So two circles of radius 1 centimeter have been cut off from a square of side 4 centimeter. So remaining area will be clearly the subtraction of area of square minus twice of the area of circle with radius 1. So here is the calculation for this question. Square area will be 4 square will be 16, and the circle area will be pi r square into 2. I have written quadrant separately, but you can write it together as well. Pi r square is equals to pi as r is equals to 1. Okay, so it will be 1 only, so 2 pi. So the remaining area will be 16 minus 2 pi centimeter square. So this is all for today's video, and if you like the video, please do like, subscribe my channel, and share this video. Thank you.